The Reserve Bank of India has hiked the loan to value limit on gold loans for banks. So previously it was at 75%, but now it has been hiked to 90%. So what it means is, if you have a gold jewelry worth 1 lakh rupee with you and you pledge it with the bank, then bank may lend you up to 90,000 rupees now, and previously they could have lent you only up to 75,000 rupees. So the move does sound positive, but it's not that simple. From borrower's perspective, the move in fact may backfire. Let's understand how. When you pledge your gold jewelry with the bank, then bank values it as per existing market prices of the gold, and based on the RBI prescribed LTV limit, it sanctions you some loan amount. Now, unlike personal loan, the value of gold loan is not fixed. So it depends on the market prices of the gold. So for example, if gold prices fall from their current levels, then the value of gold pledged with the bank may also fall below their prescribed margin requirement. So if that happens, then bank will ask you to make up for the shortfall. So what it means is, either you will have to return some amount of the loan that has been sanctioned to you, or you will have to pledge more gold with the bank. And if you fail to do so, then banks have all the right to liquidate your gold jewelry. So that could be a tricky situation. And considering existing market prices of the gold is currently trading near all-time highs. If you are planning to take gold loan in the current scenario, then it's advisable that you only go for 60% of the loan against your gold, and at best 75%. So if you go for higher LTV amount, then you could be in for a negative surprise. Also note that 90% LTV limit doesn't mean that this is what you will necessarily get. RBI only specifies the maximum LTV limit for banks, and banks have their discretion to fix their own LTV. So your eligibility will depend on the risk appetite of the bank and your own risk profile. So you may or may not be eligible for 90% LTV, but if you do, you should still go with lower LTV amount. And the 90% LTV limit is only available for the limited period. So it is applicable for loans sanctioned up to March 2021. And secondly, the revision in LTV has been done only for the banks, not NBFCs. So for NBFCs, the LTV limit is still 75%. And in any case, if you have to take gold loan, then you should prefer banks over NBFCs or your neighborhood jewelers, because with banks, you will be able to get your gold loan at lowest possible interest rate. And currently, SBI has the lowest interest rate on gold loan, which is at 7.5%.